guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore my hair. I'm doing a hot oil treatment right now, so my hair has a bunch of oil in it. Anywho, I wanted to do a video on my new Pivo. It's amazing, but it's very tricky to figure out, and I noticed there wasn't many videos for content creators and just people that love social media. It's more of a tech aspect, so I wanted to make a video and show you guys what the Pivo looks like when it comes in your package and how to get it started. So this is the actual Pivo. I just got it yesterday. It does come from China, y'all, so if you're scared about getting corona or anything, I suggest you don't order it. I didn't realize it came from China, so yeah. It has extendable legs, which is really cool. Right here. Also, it has a tripod connector, which is really helpful if you already have like a mini tripod or if you're looking for some place to stabilize it. This is the actual phone holder. I'm recording with my iPhone 11 Pro Max now, so I can use my other iPhone 8 to show you guys how it looks in the actual holder. Here it is. This is my iPhone 8. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you would put it on. Then you would have to hold it. I'm like holding it with my head. And then you would twist. So there's like a little thing that you twist. You twist it clockwise and then it tightens your phone. Counterclockwise, it untightens your phone. So this is how my iPhone 8 looks on the Pivo. And I can also use the remote it came with to be able to control its movements. This is the remote right here. Super cute. It's cool, I guess, if you're on the go, whatever, like it's probably cool. But it also came with this case, which is ugly, but it's good if you're trying to protect it. It's not like a cute case, but it does have respective spots for the Pivo as well as the remote, and you can put the charger in this case, in this part right here. This is the box that it comes in. And what drew me about this was the fact that it has auto tracking. You're able to track your face. You're able to make multiple images of yourself for one photo. You're able to have photos and videos in one, I guess, graphic. And it's super cool because you're basically spending less time editing because the app and the actual mechanism does it for you, which is what I really like. It was like one price, okay, I think it was like $150 I paid, maybe like $165 including shipping, because like I said, it's from China. So I always say I'll let you guys know if it's worth it in like a couple weeks if you care. But I basically felt like it was going to help me alleviate the pressure of content creating for my business. So I'll definitely give you an update on that. And yeah, I can also put like side-by-side graphics showing how I connected it on my phone, on the phone I'm recording right now. I'll do that like picture in picture for you guys. But let me know in the comments below, would you get a Pivo? Do you like it? I can try to put some content in here that I've made so you guys can see what it can do. I'm still learning it, so don't judge me, okay? All right, thanks guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I really enjoyed doing this quick little intro to the Pivo. Okay guys, so here is me in the Pivo app. I'm kind of playing around with things in the app and seeing the configurations. So you can have your Pivo track your speed. The predictive follow means it will follow your face. Tracking exposure means when you're moving your body, or if there's something moving in this camera, it will the Pivo will track that as well. They also have auto tracking to make sure that whatever image or product that you have in the screen will be tracked. It's really, really cool because it's just very interactive and intuitive, and once you get the hang of it, I feel as though it's easy to use. So right now I'm kind of trying to, sorry, my crusty toes and my crusty room is being shown, but um I'm gonna test out the Pivo and see which of the functionalities we can use and how it looks on camera. So I think the first one I did was the 360, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll show you guys that now. You see how it's reading the faces of the TV? It thinks the TV are real people, so it's tracking the movement of the faces, which is super cool. So like if these people were, if the housewives were really here, then it would be able to track their faces. So I thought that was a really dope feature, that if you're doing like an interview or if you're doing a how-to video, and it could track your face and your movements with you without you doing anything, pretty much. I'm not pressing anything at this time. The Pivo is doing its own thing. So now I'm going to take off the tracking exposure because it keeps moving and I don't really want it to keep moving as frequently. And I'm like playing around with the functions. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of like playing around with it because I wish I had somewhere to go. Okay, so choose mode. Choose mode is where you're able to see all the functionalities in one. Pivo will give you a short intro as to how to, like 2 or 3 slides, and then it's going to execute the motion, whether it's 360, panorama, or whatever. Okay, so panorama was here. It's telling me what to do. I click through this. This is the intro slides. Then the Pivo is going to do that function. You literally don't have to do anything. Just follow the instructions that Pivo gave you and it will come out flawless. Now it's doing a 360 panorama of this crusty, dirty room. And once it has that, then it'll be able to compile one video. I look crazy. One video to for you to add to your video bank. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. That was just one of the many features of the Pivo. I definitely recommend that you get it. It's like $100, but I mean at the end of the day, it takes the place of a cameraman, so it might be worth it. I'll make sure to put the link in below of your Pivo and my discount code, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.